Let me tell you all my tips for dry, irritated, flaky scalps. Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, certified trichologist and hairstylist for over 20 years. This is my go-to when a client's dealing with flakes, itch or inflammation. It's cooling, clean and works in 3 simple steps to calm, clear and reset the scalp. Start with one of our weekly pre-wash treatments, either the detox oil or scalp exfoliator. You'll want to use one a week, alternating between both treatments. For the scalp exfoliator, apply it directly throughout dry scalp in sections, then gently massage it in using circular motions. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing in the shower. Salicylic acid is a gentle chemical exfoliant often used on the face, but it works wonders on the scalp too. It clears build-up, unclogs follicles and resets oil levels without stripping your skin barrier. For the detox oil, open the nozzle and apply throughout your scalp. Focus on areas that feel itchy or tight. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes before rinsing. And last but not least, apply the Microbiome serum after the shower on a clean, damp scalp. This is the daily support step. It cools on contact and helps maintain a balanced, comfortable scalp. Apply 1 to 2 pipettes throughout your scalp. Use it on clean, damp hair or dry. It's lightweight and doesn't leave a residue. Massage it in gently with your fingertips. The cooling effect kicks in right away while stopping itch and flakes before they even start. A clear scalp, no itch and lasting comfort. This is the routine I trust for even the most sensitive clients.